Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Irium and yeah, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like it. This video is going to be all about skincare and what I do when I'm having such a horrible skin day or week. So I'm going to be showing you guys my tips on how to get the perfect, amazing, glowy, natural skin. Okay, so anyways, let's get to it. Now, face and body scrubs are amazing for dead skin, dry skin and ingrown hair. Just rejuvenates the skin. I've just created a simple salt, Himalayan salt, which has so many benefits. It's all natural. I also add some honey and some lemon and also some essential oils. Now, I've commented down below in that little thing that's going across some essential oils according to what type of skin you have. For example, aging skin, or if you want to get rid of dark spots or scars. You can also add these kind of essential oils into face masks and stuff like that. So what I like to do is just scrub it all over my face. Now, I find this a bit harsh, but I only do this like once a week, so it's once or twice a week, which is okay. But yeah, don't forget your neck when you scrub. Never forget your neck. Also your lips too. So I like to scrub that all over, and yeah. Using it once or twice a week, it's amazing. Like, it just takes all the dead skin off my face, and like straight away my skin feels so smooth and amazing. After you wash your face or your body, always pat, never rub, okay? Face masks are amazing. I listed the benefits of it down below. But yeah, here I created a carrot face mask. I use carrots, which are great for blemishes, dark circles and scars. I also added in some honey and lemon and oil. Now, this is my first time making this. As my blender had broke, I had to like mush it together with a spoon, which kind of didn't work, but I did use the juice of the carrots and everything, which is just as good. So yeah, I just put that all over my face, and after using it, my skin felt amazing. I also have another video on face mask, which I'll link down below. Steaming is like the best thing ever, and the benefits are right down below, right here. Now, steaming. So I like to do this before I put on a face mask, because then it helps your skin to absorb all those great, amazing things that you are putting into your face mask. After that, I like to making sure my hands are clean. You can use gloves, but your nails need to be clean. I like to pop a few pimples, making sure like it doesn't spread or anything. And now icing is amazing. I do this once a week, and it helps to when you wake up and you have puffy eyes and all that, it helps for that. It helps to tighten the skin. It's amazing. Yeah. But I would actually recommend for you to put in a cloth and not directly onto your skin, but making sure you're putting it all around and not leaving it in the same place for more than 5 seconds. So now I'm going to be sharing some reasons why you could be breaking out, or your skin's just feeling awful and you don't know why, and you've tried everything. Here are some facts, okay? These are facts that, yeah, I'm going to share some facts with you, okay? It's okay to break out. It's not the end of the world. Sometimes your body changes all the time. That could just be a reason, just like nature. When it's caused, and you'll be fine. Maybe it's because you're growing into a teenager, when you get them teenage spots. There are a lot of different things, but sometimes you just break out, and yeah, it's okay to break out. But yeah, you could be using products that contain pore clogging ingredients. So mineral oil. Mineral oil is very heavy and is known to break you out and clog your pores. Plus it's found in some lotions. That's not a good thing, so always check the ingredients in whatever you are using, basically. The next thing is hair products. This could be causing you to break out because obviously your hair touches your face and all the oils and stuff are rubbing into your face, and that could be causing you to break out. The next thing could be that you're scrubbing your skin too hard. No matter how amazing the ingredients are in whatever you are applying to your skin, Too much of anything is never good, so yeah, be careful. So smoking, drinking, eating too much sugars, junk food, they all could be the reason why you're breaking out. Also, eating a lot of dairy could be a reason why your skin's feeling dry or you're breaking out. That could be another reason. There are many more other things, but I'm gonna just list a few more because I don't want this video to drag. So laundry detergents, they could be having an effect on your skin if you have rashes or anything. Also your bedding, change your bedding, guys. I change mine like at least three times a week. Yeah, make sure you're changing your bed sheets, because you know, all the germs, oils on your pillows, all the dead skin and all that nasty stuff. Just make sure you're changing your bed sheets basically. Drinking a lot of water is amazing. I keep like a bottle, like this big bottle full of water, like every single day near my bed, and I drink it all, and I wake up with the heaviest bladder ever. But it's amazing because it hydrates your skin and it's doing all the good stuff. So make sure you are drinking plenty of water. Plus you're cleaning your phone. Now phones hold so much germs and all that not good stuff. So make sure you are cleaning it. I would recommend rubbing alcohol. Our phone is just, it's known to be a germ. It's just a germ, that's what it is. It's a germ, it's not a phone, it's a germ. Cleaning your surroundings around you, so your bedroom, make sure it's all clean and then, you know, dusting it all the time and making sure everything is just washed and stuff. All that also has an effect on your skin. Yeah, when everything's clean around you, you are clean too. This is, like, we love hot showers. Well, I love hot showers. I don't know why I said we. Why am I saying we? I meant me. Okay, I love hot showers, but hot showers, just like steaming your face, is too much of, like I said, too much of anything is not good, because too much steam or hotness or whatever can cause your skin to dry out. Also, it can cause redness and everything around your skin. So yeah, and cause you to break out. So I wouldn't recommend hot showers every day. I also would recommend, this is what I do, I like to put yellow, I can't speak, why can't I speak? I like to put a lemon all over my face before I go to sleep. I do this like 2-3 times a week, because if I have a spot or anything especially, it's amazing for spots. Put it all over my face. Also, so I'm so sorry, for dry skin, uneven skin tones, wrinkles, uneven skin tones, I did say that right, I don't know what's wrong with me. All that good stuff. Yeah, that's what lemons are good for. You can putting it directly onto your face is a bit too harsh. What I would recommend, if you don't really do this because it does sting, to put lemon in a bottle with water, dilute it, and spray it on every night. Oh, it's so amazing. You'll wake up feeling and looking so glowy and just like a model and amazing. And yeah, that's what I do anyways. Plus, another thing is you can put cucumber, garlic and stuff like that on your face, and that's just amazing for pimples and stuff. And there are so much more. I could go on forever if you do want a part 2, because I have so many other things to tell you, but I don't want this to drag on and bore you guys, so I'm gonna end it here. So if you do want a number 2, part 2 to this, then make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. I need a subscribe sign, like finger sign, I don't know. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up, and yeah, I'll do a part 2. Make sure you comment down below as well, guys. If you want a part 2, let me know. Plus, if you have any of your tips or tricks or anything that helps your skin, comment down below for someone else who might be reading it, and you know, yeah, share your experiences, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.